Hello viewers, welcome back to CoffeeChillTV and 16:45, 4:45, Sunday twilight, Udon Thani, and better go for a bit of a look inside the markets. Come along with me on CoffeeChillTV. And so folks, 16:45, and according to my laptop, when I looked at the temperature about half an hour ago before I went for a little walkabout, 32 degrees today. Now it's humid, so 32 understates the fact that it's pretty muggy, guys. There's a bit of humidity around, a lot of rain lately, so there you go. All right, let's get and check out these markets. So guys, the BAM markets, I've been here a few times before, and you know, it's very much a local market. You'll see the odd stray farang like yours truly here, but by and large, you know, on the outskirts of town now. If I spin around and have a look over here, okay, there's the centre of town that way. Around this way, guys, non-Project Park and the public hospital, but you know, it's a good several kilometres. It's a fair walk. I'll be getting a tuk-tuk back to my current digs, but that's all over that way, guys. You can see here plenty of parking at the back, which is great. and it's primarily ready to go takeaway, fresh produce and assorted wares, as you can see. Let's keep moving. Let's check out more of the markets. So guys, it's squeezy and hot and humid. You may have seen though, you could buy beer changs and Leos and Singers. Little mum and pop shop at the back there, and I'm sure they'd give you a plastic seat to sit down and have a sherbet, and I may do that shortly, we'll see. But we'll go back through the centre of the market, just to give you a different perspective, as we continue to check out the BAM markets. Or is it Bambo Nam markets? Sunday night Udorn. Let's keep rolling. There you go, guys. Bamboo Nam Market on the outskirts of town in Udon Thani. Short little walk about the markets vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you see you again soon on the CoffeeChillTV. Cheers for watching. Thanks, mate.